everybody, it's Lily from LOL Lily, and today I'm going to be making my first DIY and my first slime in one video. That's right, it's DIY slime. Because it's winter and all, I think it would be great to make a snow day slime. So, I'm going to introduce the ingredients to this slime. All you need is 4 ounces of white Elmer's school glue, a half tablespoon of baking soda, and then you stir, of course. Then you need a little bit of food coloring. I chose blue because this is a snow day. And you need 1 tablespoon of contact lens solution to make it slime. And then, of course, your choice. You can add glitter if you want, or you can just keep it as simple colored slime. Let's get started. First, we're going to pour this entire bottle of white school glue into the bowl. This sometimes gets messy, so be aware of your clothes. Okay, I think that's pretty much it. Okay. We can get rid of this now. Next, we're going to need a half tablespoon of baking soda. Unfortunately, I don't have a half tablespoon of baking soda, so I did some math. Turns out that 1.5 teaspoon is half of a tablespoon. So we can just use that to substitute. By the way, this step is important. Make sure you mix after you put in your baking soda. Last time I mixed till the very end. So that made that slime not successful. Perfect. Now we can put a little bit of blue food coloring or any other color. Oh no, that might have been a little bit too much. Okay, now we're going to need a tablespoon of contact lens solution. Oops. Use slime activator, but I use this because, well, I don't have slime activator. Okay, I am done with the sliming part. Now, my favorite part about the slime is glitter. So I'm just going to knead this slime around first to see if it's, well, good slime. Then I'm going to add in some Snow Day silver glitter. And your slime may be really sticky at first, so you might beware. But that's okay. It happens a lot. Okay, now you need to stretch your slime a little bit like this. Then on one side of the slime, you can add in a little bit of glitter and slowly fold it into your slime. I like to shake because that way you won't put in too much or not enough. Sometimes you may need to pour. Just still try not to put in too much. Alright, now you can fold your glitter into the slime. It might not show up at first because it's in one spot, but that's okay. your own slime. Mine's a snow day, but yours can be anything. Also, you can put in some cool slimy decorations, like confetti and foam balls. Do you see that my slime looks a little bit different now? Later, I added some mini foam balls, and it's so satisfying. I bet if I put in more, it will be awesome. So I took these white foam balls, because white goes with snow days, and I poured it in the bowl. Then I pretty much just let my slime roll around in the bowl until they get all of the foam balls, and it's so cool. You should definitely try using foam balls. Isn't it cool? It might look a little weird, but it's so cool.